China is about to attempt its first landing on the Red Planet. The country's first Mars landing mission, called TIANWEN-1, which means Heavenly Questions, is scheduled to touch down on the planet's surface as early as tonight, May 14th, at 7:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Saving Time, 11:11 GMT. Yi Peijian, Chief Advisor of Interplanetary Exploration for the China Academy of Space Technology (CAST), revealed at a conference on Thursday, May 13th. In a statement issued this morning, China's space agency said the rover has a landing window that extends through May 19th. TIANWEN-1 consists of an orbiter, a lander and a golf cart-sized rover called Zhurong, which is named after an ancient fire god in Chinese mythology. The mission launched in July 2020 on a Long March 5 rocket and has been circling Mars since February 10. With Zhurong on board, the lander will endure 7 minutes of terror as it plunges through the Red Planet's atmosphere for a parachute-assisted landing. It will aim to land in the Utopia Planitia region of Mars, the same area where NASA's Viking 2 mission touched down in 1976. Chinese space officials have not announced any plans to broadcast the landing live, and few details about the landing procedure have been made public. It will take about 17 minutes for mission controllers on Earth to receive a confirmation signal from TIANWEN-1 after the landing occurs due to the time it takes transmissions to travel between the two planets. While TIANWEN-1 will be China's first Mars landing mission, it isn't the first time China has attempted to launch a spacecraft to Mars. The country's first Mars mission was an orbiter called YINGHU-01, which launched in 2011 with Russia's Phobos Grunt Mars sample return mission. However, Phobos Grunt got stuck in Earth's orbit en route to Mars, and the mission ended by crashing into the Pacific Ocean. If successful, the TIANWEN-1 landing will make China the second nation to put a rover on Mars, after NASA, which has launched 5 Red Planet rovers, the most recent of which is Perseverance. TIANWEN-1's arrival in Mars orbit also made China the 6th entity to successfully send a spacecraft to Mars orbit, following NASA, the Soviet Union, the European Space Agency (ESA), India and the United Arab Emirates. But only NASA and the Soviet Union have managed to land there so far. 2 attempts by ESA ended with crash landings, and the only Soviet spacecraft to arrive safely failed a few minutes after landing. Meanwhile, the mission's orbiter will serve as a communications relay station between the rover and Earth while conducting its own scientific observations from above. The orbiter is designed to last for at least 1 Mars year, or about 687 Earth days. A day on Mars lasts about 40 minutes longer than a day on Earth.